Okay, so next I want to show you another trick. So Control A, delete all of this. And something I wanted to show you that I think is really cool is the crop or trim capabilities. So here you could sort of do this, and let's move this a bit. You could also trim the timeline, but I don't want to trim the timeline for this. But I still want to continue cropping, so let's continue cropping this. Done. Boxing. Let's see if there's... Let's see if there's a clip I want to use. So let's use this one. Not too many clips out there, but let's try using this one for boxing. So we're gonna use this here and then trim. I mean crop. So here we want to crop. So we cancel. Here you're cropping again. So here you want to do this. Done. And then here you crop again. Continue. Done. Continue. Continue. And then let's preview this. And then let's see this. And then let's see racing. And now let's add the music that we want to this entire video. So we go here and do that. And now let's play this. And yeah, that's what you get with cropping. So, yep.